Hello children, welcome back, and today we are going to learn subtraction in algebraic expressions. Take away 5 by 2 a square plus 3 by 2 a cube plus a by 3 minus 6 by 5 from 1 by 3 a cube minus 3 by 4 a square minus 5 by 2. Now children, I have already told you in the previous class that whatever number comes after from, that has to be taken first. So first we have to write this algebraic expression here and put a sign of minus because take away means subtraction, and then we will bring this algebraic expression in the second part. Suppose this from is not there and it is a comma and they have told you to take away. So you will write this first, then put minus sign in between these two algebraic expressions and then write this. But the word here, if it is from, that means after from whatever number comes, that is what we have to write first. It is like subtract 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5. The same way, this algebraic expressions we will note down first. So 1 by 3 a cube minus 3 by 4 a square minus 5 by 2. So this is our first algebraic expression. Now we have to do take away. So I will put minus and bring this algebraic expression down. 5 by 2 a square plus 3 by 2 a cube plus a by 3 minus 6 by 5. Now our next job is to open the brackets. There will be no sign change in this first algebraic expression. 1 by 3 a cube minus 3 by 4 a square minus 5 by 2. Now children, here outside the bracket the sign is minus. So whatever signs are there inside the bracket will change. For example, now this is no sign means this is plus. So minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. So automatically the sign changes if there is minus sign outside the bracket. So minus 5 by 2 a square plus 3 by 2 a cube, not plus, minus. Then minus a by 3 and then plus 6 by 5. Right? So we have changed the sign. Now our next job is to bring the like terms together. That means whatever variables are same with the powers, we'll bring them together. So let us bring in the descending order. We will start with a cube. Okay, so here we have a cube minus 3 by 2 a cube, and this no sign means plus sign, plus 1 by 3 a cube. So we have finished with a cube. Let us move on to a square. A square is this one and this one. So minus 3 by 4 a square minus 5 by 2 a square. Right? Next, let us go to this constant. Constants are, now see children, this a by 3 can also be written as 1 into a by 3, right? So we can write this like this also, right? So 1 into a by 3 is a by 3, but there is no like term saying that there is any a. So we have to take this alone. This is going to be standing alone because there is no other a. And the last number is the constant. Only numbers, no variables. That is minus 5 by 2 and plus 6 by 5. So children, we have brought all the like term together. A cube, a square, a and the constant alone. So now if you see, if I have to solve this, I have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6, because they are prime numbers. So 2 3s are 6 means 3 3s are 9 minus 9 a cube. 3 2s are 6. So 2 into a cube is plus 2 a cube. Okay. Next is a square, right? So here also I will take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 4 1s are, 3 1s are. So minus 3a square, because if I multiply it with 1, minus into plus is minus, 3 1s are 3. You have to multiply the signs also. 2 2s are 4. So 5 2s are 10. So minus 5 into 2, 10 a square. Now this is standing alone. You cannot do anything. We have to keep it like this. We cannot subtract or add with any other terms. Now let us see the constant. Now this is the LCM is 10 because they are again prime numbers. So 2 5s are 10. So minus 5 into 5 is minus 25 plus 5 2s are 10. So 6 2s are 12. Okay children. So now we have come to the last part. We have to just solve this. Okay. I will write it here. Now, what is minus 9a cube plus 2a square? So, minus 1 plus 1, so we will subtract and put the sign of greater number. So, minus 7a cube by 6. So, I am bringing this here. Next is 4. Okay, I will write here 4. And minus 3 minus 10 is minus 30 a square, because if there are two minus, we add and put the sign of greater number. And this is standing alone. Write it as it is. Then 10, 1 plus 1 minus. You subtract and put the sign of greater number. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1 and the greater number is minus. So this is your final answer. Hope you understood children. See you in next class.